Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Canon imageFORMULA RS30, a versatile photo and document scanner designed to deliver high-quality, efficient scanning for both personal and professional use. This scanner promises to make digitizing your important documents and cherished photos a breeze. Let's explore what makes the Canon imageFORMULA RS30 stand out. Design and build quality. The Canon imageFORMULA RS30 features a sleek, compact design that easily fits into any home or office setting. Its sturdy build quality ensures durability and reliability for daily use. The scanner is designed to handle various media types, making it a versatile addition to your workspace. The intuitive control panel on the RS30 includes simple, clearly labeled buttons for quick operation. Its automatic document feeder, ADF, can handle up to 30 sheets at a time, allowing for efficient batch scanning. The overall design focuses on ease of use, with a straightforward setup and user-friendly interface. Scanning performance. At the heart of the Canon imageFORMULA RS30 is a high-resolution sensor that delivers exceptional scanning quality. The scanner supports resolutions up to 600 dpi, ensuring that both photos and documents are captured with excellent detail and clarity. The RS30 excels at preserving the nuances of photographs, from fine details to vibrant colors. The scanner's performance is robust, with the ability to scan up to 20 pages per minute in color or black and white. This speed, combined with the ADF capacity, makes the RS30 ideal for both document scanning and photo archiving. The duplex scanning capability further enhances efficiency, allowing both sides of a document to be scanned simultaneously. Usability and features. The Canon imageFORMULA RS30 is designed for ease of use, making it accessible even for those who are not tech-savvy. It offers a range of features that enhance usability, including automatic image enhancement tools that adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance to produce the best possible scans. The scanner supports various file formats, including PDF, JPEG, and TIFF, providing flexibility for different needs. The bundled software suite includes Canon's Capture on Touch, which simplifies the scanning process with one-touch operation and integrates with popular cloud services for easy sharing and storage. Connectivity. The Canon imageFORMULA RS30 offers versatile connectivity options to fit seamlessly into any workflow. It connects to your computer via USB, ensuring a stable and fast data transfer. The included software supports integration with cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, allowing you to save and access your scanned documents and photos from anywhere. The Canon imageFORMULA RS30 is competitively priced, offering excellent value for its range of features and high-quality performance. Its combination of speed, versatility, and ease of use makes it a great investment for anyone looking to digitize their photo collection or streamline document management. Whether for personal use or professional settings, the RS30 delivers reliable and high-quality scanning capabilities. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Canon imageFORMULA RS30 is a powerful and versatile photo and document scanner that combines high-resolution scanning, efficient performance, and user-friendly features. Its compact design, robust capabilities, and flexible connectivity options make it an ideal choice for both home and office use. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.